Hello, today I'm going to show you how to restore the classic right-click context menu in Windows 11. Windows 11 introduced a simplified context menu which hides many familiar options under Show More Options. If you prefer the full old-style menu from Windows 10, you can bring it back using a quick registry tweak. Let's get started. Open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted by User Account Control. Paste the following command into Terminal and press Enter. Right-click the Start icon, then choose Task Manager. In the Processes tab, search for Windows Explorer, type EXPL. Right-click Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Right-click anywhere on the desktop or a folder to see the classic right-click menu. Open Terminal Admin again. Paste this command and press Enter. Go back to Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer again. Right-click to see the default Windows 11 menu has returned. That's it. Your right-click menu has been restored to the classic style. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and have a great day.